just sitting over the brows, and the G4's just getting over the clouds. You can't tell me that I ain't what's up right now. I got a bottle of tequila upside down. There's some chicks with boyfriends that are uptight now, cause they know the big dog had a pups like wow. I'm stuck in my city ways, heading overseas with a zip of New York City's haze. You rats can keep running through your city's maze until you get sprayed with the pesticide. I know you in that hole, you best to hide, like the rest who try to win and testify. Of course your girl wanna slide over and be rubbed, and don't mind taking rides over the G-Dub. I ride Rovers on street dubs. Please don't be another dude who died over the C-Dub. Chill. From hood to hood, they see what's hood and know who I be. From block to block, they see it knocking, know who I be. From state to state, they cannot hate, they know who I be. From east to west, through the Midwest and down south, it's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. I get it jumping like a Lolo 6'4", and bet they hop on it like a pogo stick pro. I'm chilling with these go-go chicks though, that do the kind of things that belong in a porno flick, yo. You know it's him and the gang with the bling work on, that remind you of lemon meringue. But remember the things ain't too far, and y'all don't wanna hear him go bang, bang, bang like John Witherspoon. I'm watching him closely, I know the snake's gonna slip soon. The two-tone Maybach's getting delivered soon. The back feels like sitting in a living room. I'm so hard body like the suit on Batman. It's that man, that back-to-back class scan. I'm back for the third time. I make words rhyme for a living. You probably heard I'm still ghetto. From hood to hood, they see what's hood and know who I be. From block to block, they see it knocking, know who I be. From state to state, they cannot hate, they know who I be. From east to west, through the Midwest and down south, it's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. They try to put 2 9s on me, just like Gretzky, but my lawyer saw through it just like wet teas. I smoke till my eyes look just like jet leaves, on islands where the water's blue just like Pepsi. Hit a trigger just might get squeezed, and the slugs will skip over your waves just like jet skis. No ghetto from New York, call him the Fresh Prince and throw rose petals when I walk. They love how I came back hard like good, and I'm still a heartthrob to a hood. That's what's hood though, yes I would know. That's cause I'm in the streets like manhole covers. Rings look like blades when a fan blow, brother. I'm waiting on a stormer, Lamb Rose cover. The man no other, cause I've been in it. My time is money, y'all couldn't buy 10 minutes, I'm gone. Catch up. From hood to hood, they see what's hood and know who I be. From block to block, they see it knocking, know who I be. From state to state, they cannot hate, they
Magnum with Lamborghini.
from east to west, through the Midwest and down south, it's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto.
Finally rise, got dirty. Way up, I got a Caprice on 20 rolls. I got a Range Rover with spinners. I got an Impala with me. Let's go. I do buy Bentleys and cool, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick on, send it, trap, I roll. Ride this to 20 inches, I don't. But I do know this might be a single when I walk my chains on, so they might jingle when she give me. So famous that I can't go nowhere. You name it, the mall, the gas station. Them people be waiting to see me hopping something, hating on them dudes too skating. Running it like Walter Payton and tell you I'm so blatant. The paper I'm saving, my bank account is amazing. I'm rating myself for 20, I'm taking myself for 20. I'm doing the show for 20, and holla at it in 20. About money I got to make, stack up a couple $100 mil, then take my ass a break down. feature. GIB1 on my customized plates. Slide a line riders don't never come fake. I'm about to hit Lillian, just past Claxton. Dipping with a piece that's better than Tony Braxton. Made a right on Riverview to vote the teams bump. I got them 3 amps and the woofers in my trunk.